What's up, you guys? This is your boy Passive Crypto checking in with another video on HyperDragons GO on the Ontology Blockchain. If you watched my last video, I've basically been giving an update on how I'm doing in the Explore leaderboard and also what type of strategies I'm using to gain the most ONG that I can off of this platform. But before I get started, I really would appreciate it if you guys tap the subscription tab and tap the notification bell. Alright, let's get it. So, right now, I can check in. So I'm about to check in. Remember, once a day you can check in. So, let's do that right now. Get my 1,000 free food. Now, while I'm waiting on this, I just noticed that in my last video, actually it wasn't my last video, it was a video that I did called Blockchain Video Games Best Crypto Game, episode 3. Towards the middle of the video, or towards the middle of the video, when I went to check out Ontology's Ontology Gas chart, I had mentioned that one of the ways to get mass adoption in crypto is through entertainment and video games. And lo and behold, you go here to YouTube and you see Jim Parsons explains cryptocurrency, season 31, episode 13 on The Simpsons. You see that? Entertainment. So that's how you get mass adoption in crypto. Explain cryptocurrency through entertainment. And another way I mentioned would be video games. So, good job. I like that. That means that we moving in the right direction towards mass adoption. All right, so let's go to the Explore leaderboard and get this out of the way right now. Right now I'm at 890 prestige. Duo King is in first place with 1205 of the game. If the prize pool was to end today, he or she would receive 202 ONG. There's still 2 days and 2 hours and 37 minutes left in this prize pool. So let's just see how much that is. It's 200, what is it? 202. So let's just see how much ONG 202 is. So you guys can get a good idea of what these prize pools pay out. So right now, he would only get $29. I think probably by the next 2 days, this should be up to at least $30, $35, which isn't bad for a 1 week prize pool. It's on the low side compared to the other prize pools, but it's still a lot of ONG. As you can see, I don't have any chests, but I just did finish exploring, so I'm about to go ahead and collect my new chests. Hopefully they're all gold chests, and it's not. Got 2 silver chests and 1 wood chest, and I got 5,832 food, so I'm going to collect that. I'm not going to open these chests right now. As you can see, as of 8:24 a.m., I have 233 ONG that I can withdraw from this platform. This is episode 6, so let's just see. This is episode 6. I'm gonna do one more episode, and that would total 7 days. And I will have a total. Then I will withdraw this total to my Ciano or Kino wallet, however you want to pronounce it. And I will record that video so you can see the transaction. So let's just do the math on how much I've earned so far. 233.75. 233.75. So $34. It's not bad. It's still not $70. I'm like halfway off. It doesn't look like I'm going to get it, but you never know. Anything can happen. Let's just see what's going on right now. So, can I train some dragons? Yeah, I got some dragons that need to be trained. This is the dragon I'm training right now for the big game tournament. I'm only at level 18. Based on the previous winners from the final match, I need to train this dragon up to level 25. Once it's at level 25, in my opinion, I think I'll be ready to battle the big boys. So I'm a ways away. It's probably gonna be about 2 weeks, maybe 2 weeks before I get to level 25. Hopefully, it only take about 8-9 days. Then I should be at level 25, and then I'll be ready to battle. Then we'll see. We'll see who's the best dragon trainer is. But that's a ways off. Let's just take a look at the arena. I got 14 crystals. I got some extra crystals and tickets. I must have entered a match and don't remember what match it was. So let's see. I know it wasn't the skills master match. It had to have been fire element. Let's just take a look. Mine. Yeah, I lost right away, so it wasn't that. I don't know where I got these extra tickets from. Was it the skill? Nope. The water. Final match. Oh yeah. I've sucked this time around because you guys, I haven't really done that well in anything. That's why it's showing on my total how much I made so far. I only made $34 within this week video log. So I've missed the final match, which is a big game tournament. I've also missed power swap. I was trying to get my trying to fix my Instagram page because some stuff on there I didn't know. I'm brand new to Instagram. I'm learning as I go. So I missed the power swap because I was tinkering with my Instagram page. Then the final match, I was up and I was watching TV and I forgot to enter. So wonk wonk wonk, messed that up too. So I just been messing up all week, man. I'm not gonna get anywhere close to 400 ONG. As you can see, I'm like halfway. I'm a little over halfway there. There's no way I'm gonna get to 400 ONG within the next episode. At least I don't think so. Something might shake, don't know. But right now, I'm just gonna train my dragons, and then I need to see if there's a tournament that I'm gonna enter. Let's look at the tournaments. The Earth Element, yeah, I definitely enter that because I can get free food. The entry fee is only 800 food, so I always, when I enter these type of tournaments, my goal is to get a ticket for the big game tournament, a free ticket for the big game tournament, and try to place within 17th to 32nd place. That way, I receive my food that I paid for the tournament. So basically, I'm getting a free ticket as long as I place in the top 32. And if I place higher, that's great because I earn extra food, which goes to my food balance, which I need to train my dragons. So then we have a female special contest. I'm definitely entering that. So let me go ahead and enter this one real quick. The Earth Elemental, so I can get my free ticket. I'm going to use my money maker because that's what she is. And I should be able to place at least in the top 32. I'll set my skills later. And then I'm going to enter the female dragon contest because of the crystals. This female dragon contest is a income producing contest because you can sell your crystals on the market. I wish you could sell your tickets. That would be great. If any developers that develop for this game is listening, make it it would be nice if you could make it where the tickets that you earn, if you don't want to enter the final match, you could sell your tickets on the market. That would be great. I noticed the platform sells them, so that's a way you guys add to the pots for the tournaments and payouts and stuff. But it still would be nice if we could sell our tickets too. So, but yeah, you can earn these crystals and you can sell them on the market, which will produce more ONG for that person. So I'm going to enter this contest because my moneymaker usually does good in this contest as well. There she go. So let's enter that. Now these tournaments are, this one is in the morning, 7 in the morning tomorrow. And this one is tonight at 9 a.m. So hopefully I do well, gain my tickets, and then I'll be set for the final match. That's this week. Let's look at the Hall of Fame. Remember, you get income for life if you get 10 medals for one dragon. And you need to place in the top 3 of the final match to get medals. You can see the people that's on my tail. I can't read this, but this person has 9 medals. All they need to do is place in the top 3 this week's contest, and they will be inducted. Their dragon will be inducted. This dragon ID number 4958 will be inducted into the Hall of Fame. Let's just take a look at that. 4953. Let's see what this dragon, which dragon that is. So I'm going to go to the market and put that ID in the search bar. Then I'm hit that. So this dragon right here, it's at level 27, 127 generation. The power is 2,724. The growth rate is amazing, 8.4, and it has the infamous days move, and it has a charge up, and it has one of the most powerful attacks. So it's nothing to this. It's not a mystery, basically. This dragon is doing very well. It has a great skill set. And you look at the attributes. Health is +5, strength is a 10, dexterity is a 10, and intelligence is 11. So the attributes is amazing. The power is on the lower end compared to some of these more powerful dragons, but this dragon trainer has trained this dragon up to level 27. And it's already got enough experience to go up to level 28. Basically, he needs crystals. So let's see how many crystals do you need to get to level 28. Oh yeah, I didn't see it. Yeah, you saw the skills already. So level 28, you need how many crystals? That's why there is a market for crystals, because in order to power up to different levels, so level 28, you need 440 crystals. So once you get past level 20, each level after that, you have to pay a fee in crystals. So that's the market for the crystals. People leveling up to the highest level. So you need 440 crystals. They probably don't have it right now. Or they do, they just waiting to see if the crystal market price go down, because 440 crystals could cost you a lot of ONG based on the price. Let's just take a look at the price real quick. So in order to see the cheapest price for the crystals, you hit unit price and you tap the bottom arrow. And this is the cheapest price you can get. Unit price, 0.2. This is me selling mine down here for 0.2069. So let's just see if this is too cheap or not. People just trying to basically be the first one to sell theirs. So let's just look at the market. Keep this in mind, 0.2. Go to the market and check out the prices real quick to see if that's fair market value or they just trying to get rid of them as quick as possible. So the cheapest dragon is 13 on G. Remember, a level 20 dragon or higher, you can convert that dragon into 60 crystals. So in order to get a good price range, you divide the amount they selling it by 60 crystals. So that's 13 divided by 6. Equals, I messed that up, didn't I? Equals 2.1. Oh, I messed that up. It's 13 divided by 60. I knew that was wrong because that was way too high. So 13 divided by 60 is 0.21. So long as you selling your crystals for cheaper than this, it's better to buy the crystals on the market instead of buying a level 20 dragon. So yeah, so they're actually not that bad of a price. I'm not going to drop my price lower than where it's at just to jump in front of them. I could, but I'm not, because I'm only 4 sales away, and that one dragon needs 400 crystals. So he's easily, if he decide to level up, would knock out all these orders, because these orders will equal up to that 440, well, close to it. So I'm gonna leave my price where it's at. It's fair market. Other than that, please hit that thumbs up button, and I'm out. See you next video.